How to fix Apple Pay not scanning. 1. Restart your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches preventing Apple Pay from working. 2. Check for iOS updates. Ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS, as updates often contain fixes for such issues. 3. Confirm card and terminal compatibility. First, check the terminal. Make sure the merchant's point of sale, POS, supports Apple Pay and contactless payments. Second, verify your card. Ensure the card you're using is compatible with Apple Pay and that your bank supports it. 4. Try a different payment method. First, switch cards. If your default card isn't working, try selecting a different card from your wallet. Second, manual selection. Open the Wallet app, tap the desired card, and then hold your device near the terminal to make a manual selection. 5. Remove and re-add your card. Removing the card from the Wallet app and adding it again can reset any corrupted data causing the issue. 6. Check Apple System Status. Visit the Apple System Status webpage to see if there's a known outage for Apple Pay.